Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a fairy. Let's start off by drawing a head with a small circle with an open bottom. Next, draw a small V shape angling down for an arm, another one here for the leg, and mirror that all the way up to the other end to finish off the body. Next, draw some wings. I'm going to give this fairy butterfly wings. A big curve that goes up and over like so, and a small one underneath. Then, mirror that on the left side as well. Lastly, add some fairy dust with a couple 4-pointed stars scattered around your fairy. And to make it look like it's shimmering, mix in some stars made of crossing lines too. And now you've got a fairy. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.